Hi friends, thank you so much for joining me. I am so glad that you could take some time to come and check out some of the videos. If you're not yet subscribed, hit that little subscribe button in the corner and be part of this family, and then hit the little bell as well so that you can get a notification every single time that I upload a video, and basically you become like VIP part of this family. And I would also love for you to like the videos as well, give them a thumbs up so that I know the content that you guys would love me to create. You know, we're coming to the end of the year and it's a time to reflect on where you're going. It sounds cliche, I know, but it's one of those very important things that you sort of, get inside and see if you really saved outwardly what your inward man really is intended to do. So for me, it is doing everything that I committed to do to the last T. And so, like I mentioned in my last video, I'm gonna leave the link right here on top of the screen. You can just check that out, and I will leave a link below as well on the last video. I just mentioned to you guys how it's important to just take time and review and see if you're really doing everything that you're meant to do. So a very fun post that I posted on my Instagram stories recently was, I'm just gonna read it to you guys quickly. It really touched my heart. It's why we do all these things that we're doing. So number one, early wake-ups equals to children to love. So you wake up early in the morning, don't be grumpy. You're like, oh my God, why am I doing this? That just shows that you have children to love. There are others that don't have. There are others that are struggling to even have children. It's a struggle, believe me. I know. Number two, a house to clean. Don't think that it's a chore that you should hate. It is equals to a safe place to live. That means you have a safe home to live. Laundry, oh my word, it's most of us like, oh my gosh, why do you guys change clothes so often? Oh, we like complaining about so much laundry. Just know that you can thank God for the clothes to wear, dishes to wash, thank God for the food to eat. So when you're washing dishes, take that moment to just thank God for the provision for the food. And crumbs on the table, I am literally one of us. I'm like, guys, seriously, who did this? But just know, that you should be thankful for family meals. Just really amazing. And when you have to go grocery shopping, don't think of it as a chore. Just know and be thankful that you have the money to provide, that you are able to provide. Thank God that He's providing for you and your family. And the toilets, I have two little boys. I mean, their bathroom, you would swear it's a public toilet, but we couldn't every day. But thank God for indoor plumbing. We could literally just stop and be thankful for just that. Small things like those. Thank God for indoor plumbing. Lots of noise in the house. I know. Maybe you want to read a book, maybe you want to watch a TV show, and the kids are like, la, 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 la. Thank God that you have people in your life. That is something to be thankful for. And so, that's what this channel is all about. To take the mundane tasks and so for a moment, be thankful for them and express love whilst doing them. And so in this video, I'm going to be sharing that and my heart. And I hope that you can, before the year ends and as you're entering into 2019, take a moment to just be grateful for those couple of things. Let's get right into the video.
just rest.
There.
It's fine.
You're fine. Right? You're gonna be fine.
Yeah. So I can go to Josh.
Yeah. You're tough, right?
Yeah.
You're a tough guy.
Hello. I fell.
You fell. But it's fine now.
Yeah. Hello. I fell. Yeah.
But you're gonna be okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, good boy. Alright, you're gonna go and play, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna go and play with other boys.
Yeah.
Alright.
But those guys are not ready for me. I have to wear my shoes.
So are you gonna look for them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
I found them.
Yeah?
But
Bye.
come to the outside. It's so nice. Which one? Huh? Where? Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. Bubble. Racing car. Bubble. Racing car. Bubble. Bubble. Bubble.